Hey everybody, so this is going to be a quick tool haul. I will do the unboxing on a separate video. I picked up some Milwaukee stuff and some shop vac stuff from Home Depot. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, so this is just going to be a quick tool haul video. We'll do the unboxing from everything on a separate video. I went to, when I went to go pick up my new modem, I also picked up some stuff from Home Depot because it was less than a block away. Hopefully this is the new model like the box says. This is Milwaukee's M18 tool only, part number 0880-20. It is the M18 2-gallon wet and dry vac. With the certified HEPA filter, 5-year warranty. I picked, this was technically $139, but the gentleman was nice because the sticker on the shelf said $89. He said, well, thank you for letting me know. We do have to change the sticker, but we have to give it to him for that price. So he said Merry Christmas, which was pretty awesome. I picked this up for $89. Today is Monday, December 23rd, 2019. It's a couple days before Christmas. I also picked up this multi-fit, which rings up as a rigid shop vac kit. It is a 1 1/4 hose size micro cleaning kit for use with 1 1/4 hoses, which is exactly what this M12 wet dry vac is. This one is part number VT1215. Part number again is Victor Tony 1215. And then I picked up this 3-piece adapter kit, which is 1 7/8 to 1 1/4 adapter, 2.5 to 1 7/8 adapter, and 2.5 hose to hose connector. And this is part number VT1755, Victor Tony 1755. So this is the first thing of, this is actually the second thing of items I picked up. I went in there looking for some stuff for my skill saw, which will be a different video. So please stick around, check out the unboxing video, and I'll see you guys there. Appreciate your time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliates, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.